Hi math learners. I'm here with Anna and she's going to share some of her amazing ideas for figuring out 9 times 6. So I know a lot of you think of this and read it as 9 groups of 6. So I'm just going to make sure that we have all of the things out that we need. So I'm going to show you where the 9 groups of 6 are. So here's one group of 6. See it, Anna?
Yep.
2 groups of 6. 3 groups of 6. 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9.
Okay, so to figure out 9 times 6, we need to figure out how many there are here in total. So how do you want to think about this?
I want to do 6 times 9.
Oh, okay, so you want to think of 6 groups of 9. So can you show people where the groups of 9 are?
So this group.
So there's 9 here.
This.
Okay.
There's 9 here, 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 here.
Okay. So there we go. And there's another group of 9, right? And
Can I draw them?
sure.
Yay!
Go for it. So that's 3 groups of 9, 4 groups of 9, 6 groups. No, that's 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. Okay, so there's your 6 groups of 9. So what are you going to do? Just like 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9?
Yeah.
You are?
No, I want to split. So I like to have nice even numbers and friendly numbers. Sorry. So I want to add 1 to make that a 10.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to add 1 here. And now it's a group of 10. And another one. So 2 groups of 10. 3 groups of 10. 4 groups of 10.
5 groups of 10.
Oh, sorry. I'll let you count on your own.
Okay. So let's count by tens now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
But that's a little too much, right?
Yeah. So we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out.
So then we're going to go 60 minus 6 equals
54.
Okay, so 9 times 6 or 6 times 9 equals 54. 54.
54.
54.
Bye,
Great job, Anna.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Hey everyone, I've got my friend Anna here who's going to be talking to us about a great idea for solving 9 times 6. So Anna, how do you like to think about 9 times 6?
Well, I like to think of it as 9 groups of 6. But
9 groups of 6.
The thing is, I want to split the 6 into 5 because I know my 5's better than 6's.
Oh, okay. So can we first look for the 9 groups of 6 here? Can you show everybody?
So this is 1, 6, 5 plus 1, another 6, 5 plus 1 again, and basically, yeah.
So 2 groups of 6, 3 groups of 6, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 9 groups of 6. Okay. So what is your idea? What do you think we should do?
I think we should count by 5s.
Okay, so we're going to split that 6 into 5 and 1. Nice. And so where are the 9 groups of 5?
The 9 groups of 5. This is 1 5, 2 5s, 3 5s, 4 5s, 5 5s, 6 5s, 7, 8, 9.
And how much is this?
Well, why don't we count?
So, okay, good. So this is 9 times 5, which is?
Or 5 times 9.
Okay.
Either way.
Mm-hmm.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
Okay. And now we've got this group here, which is 9, we know. So what's the answer? If we have...
Well, it's 9 times 1.
Mm-hmm.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And how many do we have altogether?
45 plus 9.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's 54.
54. Okay. So 9 times 6 equals 54.
Bye, everyone.